Dubai real estate market is crashing 70%. At least that's what the headlines are wanting you to believe. But here's the reality. Most of the people who are talking about the market right now, they don't even own any property here in Dubai. They see a dip in transactions and they scream 2008. But if you look at the data of March 2026, you as an investor wouldn't be scared. Rather, you'd be preparing. Because while the average person is freezing in fear, the smart money is moving into a position. Hi, welcome back to our channel Rodi's Realtors. We are here to give you in-depth analysis about Dubai real estate market even during the conflict, how exactly it is impacting the whole market scenario, and as an investor, how you should be cautious about making any decisions at this moment, be it buying a new property or selling your own property at a distressed value or not. You need to understand how the market is basically moving ahead and how exactly you should take your own steps rather than believing on the headlines and some desperate brokers who are asking you to sell your property at distress. We are here to give you the exact analysis of each and everything. So stay tuned into the video till the end to understand what exactly happened before and how this will impact into the coming future towards what is happening right now in front of us. In this video, I am breaking down the truth about the correction, why the Iran-Israel-USA war is creating a unique window, and how investors who are waiting since 2020 are actually making a move and grabbing one of the best offers and discounts at the moment from the market. Let's first address the ghost of 2008. Back then, the market was built on deck of cards. Even Dubai's off-plan market was at a boom. 90% of the transactions were based on loans. People actually had over-leveraged themselves with all the facilities they were getting at that point of time. Credit default score was 900 during 2008 crash, which is today 65 at the moment. People were flipping their properties before even the brick was laid. Whereas in 2026, more than 60% of transactions are based on cash. We have world-class regulations and strict escrow laws. In 2008, people had to sell because they were drowning in debt. In 2026, whereas the owners right now are sitting on massive equity. They aren't panicking, they are just holding. A market built on crash doesn't crash, it stabilizes. We aren't seeing any collapse, we are seeing a healthy reset. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, the conflict in between Iran, Israel and USA. Since 28th of February 2026, we have seen a particular pause in the market. Transactions in early March has dropped around 25%. But history shows us something very important. When the region gets loud, the capital seeks the safe harbor. And Dubai is that harbor. While others are actually distracted by the headlines, the smartest investors are looking at the perfect window to park their funds here in Dubai. This uncertainty is actually allowing investors to negotiate exclusive deals in the market that didn't actually exist before 6 months. The fundamentals haven't changed. The only change we have seen is the sentiment. This is the most important part of today's video. We are seeing a massive surge in confidence from the investors we used to call as sidelined investors. These are the same people who have been watching since 2020. They missed the post-COVID boom and missed 2022 explosion. And they have been sitting on capital since years, waiting for the right entry point. Those investors are finally stepping in. They aren't looking for cheap deals, rather they are looking for high value properties. They are occupying the prime opportunities in the secondary market and securing limited time payment offers from the developers who want to actually maintain the momentum. If you have been waiting since 2020, the momentum has now shifted into your hands now. Now you need to understand where you can actually put the money. The market is divided into 3 different layers. Tier 1 developers, the anchors of the property market. Developers like Emaar, Omniyat, Miras, Nakhil, they haven't budged at all. They are not giving any heavy discounts. They have not lowered the prices because their demand is actually genuine. Tier 2, the volume players. This is where you get the best of the offers as like DLD waivers, payment plan flexibilities to keep the momentum going. These are the developers like Binghati, Damak, Danube who are actually not launching new products but are giving you one of the best options available in the market by providing such DLD waivers, and this is the right time to actually grab those deals from the market. And tier 3, the speculative layer. Smaller developers who are actually giving you the guaranteed returns. This is where you need to actually do your due diligence. Smart move is if that project is actually having 70% of the end users and only 30% of the investors, that is the right move. And it's actually a safe bait for the new investors. If it's other way around, walk away. So is Dubai real estate market actually crashing in 2026? No, it's actually maturing. We have moved from the speculators market to an investors market. The new wave of confidence we're looking from the 2020 era buyers proves that the long-term outlook is solid. They're moving fast to grab the best offers available in the market before the next growth cycle begins. This is not a fierce market. This is the smart investors market. The short-term flip 21st, the newbie brokers are being flushed out, which is the best thing which could happen for the professional investors. Wealth in Dubai is not made when everyone is celebrating. It's actually made during the uncertainty of such cycles. If you want to see the case studies of the buyers who are actually buying now, follow us on rodisrealtors.6. We don't follow the noise, we follow the numbers. And this is what we have gained as the confidence from you investors who have been trusting us since many years now. And this is the right time to choose the right agent, the right consultant who can guide you to get the best deal in the market rather than looking into the headlines of the media channels. So here we are giving you the exact idea, exact analysis of what is happening in the market. It's your time to choose us and understand where exactly you can put in your money. We are available here in our offices. The sales centers are open. Everything is mobilizing very fastly. So grab onto the best deals when they are alive, because once the time passes, you will only regret that, like the people who regretted after the post-COVID boom. So looking forward to meet you guys very soon and hearing from you all to understand what all questions you still have after this. Thank you so much for watching our video. See you in the next.